Guys, we're gonna look at this 92 Camaro that's actually in excellent condition, going from the paint to the wheels to the top to interior. It's been really well kept over the years. If we kind of take a look around real quick, see all four wheels are super clean, paint's in great condition. Pan around the top here, you can kind of see the top's in excellent condition. I will post a top operation video as well, just so you guys can see that everything on this totally works. We'll do an operation video kind of demonstrating how everything's fully functioning. AC blows nice and cold. Let's take a look on the passenger side here. Super nice. Let's go ahead and take a look on the driver's side, and I'll pop the hood. Back seats are also in great condition. If you have any questions, you can leave a comment down below or use the contact seller button. We'd be happy to answer any questions. If you need a shipping quote, you can also use the contact seller button. We can give you a quote. And good luck with the rest of the auction.